Hello friends, I'm Sagnik and today we will learn how to draw a human face in Adobe Illustrator. This human face will be very funny, cute and very simple to draw. So let's start. At first I will take a page of 1920 by 1018 points. So at first I will grab out the ellipse tool to draw the hat of the man. And I will give a blue color to the circle. Now I will again grab out the ellipse tool and draw another oval over here. I press now I will bring out the direct selection tool and pressing Alt I will increase its size. Now we will select the whole structure, grab out the shape builder tool and remove this unwanted part. Now we will select this all and remove the stroke. And yeah, we will also change the color of this hat. Okay. Now what I will do? Now I will start the face of the man. So for that I will again take the ellipse tool to draw a circle. So I will press Shift and draw out a circle. Sorry. And give it a skin color. So here we have our skin color. Yeah. Now I will place the face back to the hat. So for that what I will do, I will select this, right click over it, arrange, send it to back. Now if you want, you can also increase the size of the circle, but up to this. Now what I will do is, now I will start his hair. For that I will grab out the pen tool and start drawing his hair. I will give his hair a dark brown color. Yeah, so we are completed with the hair. So let's start the main portion of the face. First of all, I will draw his eyebrows. For that, I will grab out the ellipse tool and draw an oval over here. I will give it a light brown color. Yeah, but now I will give it more detailing. For that, I will grab out the direct selection tool, select this part or this anchor of the eyebrow, drag and hold it down. Now, I will click on this anchor and drag it down. Now, I will click on this anchor and drag it up. Okay. Now you can see here is the shape of an eyebrow. So let's get a new copy of the eyebrow. Copy a new eyebrow over here by Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Ctrl F means paste in front. Then you can right click over here, go to transform and reflect. Then degree. Now bring up the second eyebrow over here. Now if you want to decrease the size of the eyebrow, you can. Now here I have taken the eyebrow up so that it looks more cool. Now time to draw the eyes. So for that, what I will do, I will simply draw here a circle, give it black color. Then I will get a new copy of the circle. So for that, what I will do, I will press Ctrl C over here for copying and Ctrl F over here. It will paste the new circle in front. Now I will right click over here. Sorry, not right click. Now I will decrease the size of the circle and make it very small. Give its color white. Now I will drag the small circle and place it over here. Now I will decrease the size of these two circles. Now I will bring up this circle or eye over here. Now I will get a new copy of this eye. Sorry. Place it over here. Now we will draw the nose of the man. So for that, I will again take the ellipse tool, draw a oval over here. Give it orange color. Now to show it just like a nose, I will give it some more detailing. For that, I will select this out, take the shape builder tool, size of this nose just like this. So now what I will do is draw the mouth of the man. So with the pen tool, I will draw the mouth of it. Now after drawing an curved line, it will just become like the mouth, but we will change the color shade. We will make the foreground color none and make the stroke color to the foreground color. So we will bring this color to here and none this color. Okay. Now you can also increase the size of this mouth. Now you can see that the hat is looking too small. So what I will do, pressing Alt, I will increase its height. Width. So if you want to add some shade over his hat, so you can do this. You have to draw a rectangle over here, then you have to give it a dark color first and reduce its opacity. So we go to window and transparency and make it of somehow 75%. Yeah. Now I will select this with the direct selection tool. I will select this part, drag it just like this. Now I will select this hole, bring out the shape builder tool by pressing Shift plus M, pressing Alt or Option. I will remove this part. Now a little shadow has been added to his hat. Now friends, you can see the human face is looking very funny and sweet and cute. Now to give more detailing to his hat, I will draw a flower and place it over here. For that, what I will do, I will take the ellipse tool by pressing L, draw an oval over here, give it a white color. Okay. Then I will bring the rotate tool, place the pointer at here, press Alt, bring out a new shape, and then Ctrl D, 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 and then then take out the selection tool, select the whole part, change its color. I will change its color. Or first you can bring it here, decrease its size, then make it white, because here you can see the white, just like this. And then in between I will make a circle, just like this. Give it color orange. Now the human face is looking very cool and nice. It's also looking very cute and funny. I think you have enjoyed this tutorial. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.